What's it at? Yeah, see, you still could have kept going. You even did a go around. Check, make sure that's on. Yes, it is. Good to go.
That meant if I had kept that landing before without having a go around, I would have been at like 383.
Yep. Start over here since it's a crosswind. All right, let's go.
Timer cleared.
That's 6,200?
No, this is a 5,000,
Gear up.
Yeah, no.
but it's the 55C, so it's got a little more juice.
Seems like you fly like the rest of your other jets.
It does. It's just harder to see, and then it's
Oh.
a lot harder to land.
It's a dart.
Yep.
It's nice.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, your jet's got gyro, right?
This one comes with one. It's standard on with the plane. Most of them have gyros, but not all of them. My F5 doesn't.
Oh, Billy! I said, that's Billy. Aren't you gonna fly? Not today. Everybody's got jets.
All right, let me get a high-speed pass in. Really high speed.
Time remaining 1 minute. Time remaining 37 seconds.
All right, time to set up for landing.
30 seconds. Gear down.
All gear are down. Yep. The wind crossed, or is it down the runway?
A little cross.
Okay, I'll leave the flaps up then.
Yeah, just little.
10,
Not bad.
9,
I feel it.
8, 7,
Whoa.
6, 5, 4, 3, braking 2.
Woo! Ah, had to save it.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Ugh.
Thing is like
If you don't do things right, it bites you. That's why I just let it coast. If I'd have had flaps down, it wouldn't have made it.
No flap?
Yeah, no flaps.
And speed brakes?
Yeah, but it was already halfway. It didn't hit anything. It's gonna be fine.
It's safe.
As soon as you see it do that little wiggle.
Yeah. Well, we're awesome.
I know, squirrel. Sorry. Yeah, I didn't do anything. It's fine. Oink. It didn't hurt anything. I just didn't want to turn it. No, it's fine. Just didn't want to turn it. I hope not. I heard some, I mean, that's the president, so
Yeah, I know.
I heard some good, that was good news. I'm
Release.
not going to hold my breath until I see it back, though.
1. Time expired.
Ah, that was fun.
You got a speed brake too.
Yeah, they work, too.
Braking. Release.
If it wasn't for that, it would have kept going further. It's always right at the end of the runway that it does that weird, yeah, it always does that weird little wiggle. I think I got to do at least one more flight with this. Yeah. Now the wind stops. Yeah, figures, right? After I'm down, the wind stops. Gee, thanks.
I like it.